Hello students, this is my video for class 10th mathematics, topic similar triangle, Pythagoras based question. Okay, so I'm going to discuss some question and this is my last video on similar triangle. Okay, this is my 7th number of video on similar triangle. Clear? Now look, students, it is a triangle ABC. Angle C is a 90 degree. That means ABC is a right angle triangle. The length of BC is taken as A, AC is taken as B, and hypotenuse is taken as C. CD is perpendicular, the length of CD is P. What I have to prove? We have to prove that we have to create a relation between PC and AB, and second relation between P and AB. Okay, what I will do now? We just go through this topic. Look, it is a triangle ABC. If you take triangle ABC, AB is taken as base and CD is taken as height. So you know that area of triangle ABC is base into height into 1 by 2, and 1 by 2 into base into height. So if you find the area of triangle ABC and you are taking BC as a base and AB as a height, the area of triangle ABC equal to half into BC into AC. Now another way of finding the area of triangle ABC, it is AB is the base and CD is the height. So AB is the base and CD is the height. You are looking there, either you take this base and this perpendicular, you are getting the area of ABC triangle. Yeah, if you take AB base and CD perpendicular, you are getting the area of this triangle. So half into BC into AC equal to half into AB into CD. Okay, so half into BC into AC equal to half into AB into CD. So just put the value of BC, AC, so half into A into B. Just put the value of AB and CD. So half into C into P. So half into A into B equal to half into C into P. Half cancel. So here AB equal to CP. This is the first relation. What I have to prove, I got in the solution of this. Now I want 1 by P square. So just create the 1 by P. So 1 by P, how it is created? If we send P in LHS in denominator and AB in RHS in denominator, the form it is 1 by P equal to C by AB. Okay, this is the equation number 2. Now just go with the Pythagoras theorem. In triangle ABC, angle ACB is 90 degree. This is hypotenuse, this is perpendicular, that is the base. So C square equal to A square plus B square. C square equal to A square plus B square. Okay, C square equal to A square plus B square. This is equation number 2. Now what I will do? I have to use this one in the place of A square plus B square. We can put C square. Yes, C square equal to A square plus B square we can put. Now go to the equation number 1. I want 1 by P square. So what I will do in equation 1? We have to do squaring on both sides. So 1 by P square equal to C square by A square B square. So 1 by P square equal to, in the place of C square we can put A square plus B square. So 1 by P square equal to A square plus B square by A square B square. Now what I will do? 1 by P square equal to A square by this plus B square by that. The A square by this and B square by that. The A square cancel and B square cancel. So 1 by P square equal to 1 by B square plus 1 by A square. This is the relation I got between P, A and B. And here it is the relation between A, B, C, P. Clear, my dear? Now, second question. What is the second question is there? In second question, I have to discuss about two pillars, two poles. One pole is AB, another pole is CD. The height of this pole is 6 meter and 11 meter. And the distance between their feet is 12 meter. What I have to find? We have to find the distance between the tops. The A is the top of AB and C is the top of CD. We want AC in the value. Okay. So look here, if AB is 6, so ED is also 6. So what is the remaining distance CE? That is 5. So we can say here C equal to CD minus D, and is CD minus D, that is CE. 11 minus 6 equal to 5. So this is 5, and this feet distance is 12. So this is also 12 because it is a rectangle shape. Opposite side of rectangle are equal. Now find your AC. Use the Pythagoras theorem. AEC is 90 degree. It is 5. It is 12. We have to find the AC. The AC square equal to A square plus EC square. 12 square plus 5 square equal to AC square. 12 square 144, 5 square 25, 144 plus 25 become 169. So AC square equal to 169. So 169 we can say 13 square. AC square is equal to 13 square. So AC value 13 meter. Another value of AC also will come, that is minus 13. The distance never be negative. So AC equal to minus 13, it is the invalid solution. So what is the AC value? That is 13 meter. So AC is the distance between their tops, that is 13 meter. Clear? Now next question it is, ABCD is a rhombus. ABCD is a rhombus, that means rhombus all sides are equal. AB, BC, CD, AD all sides are equal. What I have to prove that? We have to prove that one more property of the rhombus, it is all sides are equal and diagonal bisect at 90 degree. That means OD equal to OB, OA equal to OC, and this angle is 90 degree. Now as we know that all sides are equal, so we can show triple sign here also, triple sign there also, triple sign here also, triple sign there also, and these lines are parallel. Okay, these lines also parallel. That create the meaning of rhombus here. Now what I will do, we just think in the mind, if you go with the triangle AOD, we can get the first relations. What is the relation? OD is a half of BD and OA is a half of AC we can take. Okay, and AD as we know that AD equal to DC equal to BC equal to AB. So in the place of AB we can write AB we can write AD, BC we can write AD, ACD we can write AD, because all sides of rhombus are equal and diagonal bisect each other at 90 degree. That means OA equal to OC and OD equal to OB, and here it is 90 degree. There also 90, there also 90, here also 90. Now go with the triangle AOD. Use the Pythagoras theorem because here it is 90 degree. OA square plus OD square equal to AD square. So we can say na, AD square equal to OA square plus OD square. And we know that OA is a half of AC, the AC by 2 whole square. And we know that OD is a half of BD, so in the place of OD we can write BD by 2 whole square. So here it is 2 square 4 we can take common. So AD square equal to 1 by 4 AC square plus BD square. So AC square plus BD square equal to 4 times AD square. The AC square plus BD square is equal to 4 times AD square, and 4 times AD square means AD square we can write 4 times. 1 times in the place of AD we can write AB, second time AD we can write BC, third time AD we can write CD, and 4 time AD it remain AD, and AD become AB, AD become BC, AD become CD, AD become AD. So here it is AC square equal to AC square plus BD square equal to AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus AD square. The sum of square of both diagonal equal to sum of square of all of its sides. Okay, so this is the next question. This is the discussed question. Okay, now one more question here. It is triangle PQR. Here Q 90 degree. On the base QR there are 2 points S and T. S and T trisect QR. Trisect means 3 equal part it is divided. That means QS distance, ST distance, TR distance all are equal, so taken at X. We have to find the relation between hypotenuse. One hypotenuse PT, another PR, another PS. So 8 times of PT square equal to 3 times of PR square, 5 times of PS square. How it is going on? So first I will go with the LHS part, PT square demanding. So go in triangle PQT. PT square equal to PQ square plus QT square, and QT contain 2x. Okay, so we can say PT square equal to PQ square plus 2x, है ना, 2x to the whole square. So here PQ square plus 4x square, the value of PT square. Now LHS it is 8 PT square. So 8 into this PT square value, PQ square and 4x square, so become 8 PQ square plus 32x square. Clear? Now what is the RHS? 3 PR square, 5 PS square. The PR belongs to big triangle. PR using PQ and 3x, x, x, x. So in the place of PR square and in 3 PR square, 3 I have written outside, and in the place of PR square we can write PQ square plus QR square. QR means x, 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 and in 3x to the whole square, because PQ square plus QR square. The QR value is 3x, the 3x to the whole square. The 3 PR square means 3 into pq square plus 3x to the whole square plus 5 ps square. The ps belongs to pqs. The 5 into pq square plus x square. So now look, it is 3 pq square, 5 pq square become 8 pq square. It is 3x whole square is 9x square. 9x square multiplied by 3, 27x square, or it is 5x square. 27x square plus 5x square, 32x square. So we know that 8 pq square plus 32x square, it is the value of RHS, and LHS it is also 8 pq square plus 32x square. So LHS and RHS are equal to each other. So we can say 8 pt square equal to 3 pr square plus 5 ps square. Okay, now one more question I am going to discuss you. This is the last question of similar triangle that is going to discuss you. After that, next time I will discuss topic on the circle. Okay, look, it is the right angle triangle. Here angle A is 90 degree. So here 90 degree is just shown. Okay, now here it is in circle with the radius small r. So here in circle means touching all the sides inside, and these sides are behave like the tangents. So in circle we know that if a line joining center to point of contact, it will be 90 degree. That means tangent and radius angle is 90 degree. This is another tangent, and here it is r radius, here also 90 degree. Here it is CA tangent and it is radius also 90 degree. So r, this r I have to find. AB length is 8, AC length is 6. So use of Pythagoras, AB, AC, to find BC. So BC will be 10. Okay. Now we have to find the R. So first you find the area of triangle ABC. The half into base into height, half into 8 into 6. That means 24 centimeters square. Now if we join this O with A, then B, then C. So you are looking 3 triangles are there. One triangle name is OAB, another triangle name is BOC, and third triangle name is COA. So AOB, BOC and COA, if you add all this triangle area, we are getting ABC triangle area. So first separately we are going to find AOB area. So AB is the base, R is the height, half into AB into R, and half into 8 into R, that is 4R. BOC area, BC is the base, R is the height. So BC is 10, R is the height, half into 10 into R, that is 5R. AOC area, AC is the base, R is the height, half into 6 into R, that is 3R square, 3R. Now ABC area equal to AOB area plus BOC area plus AOC area. So we can say ABC area is 24, that is AOB area 4R, BOC area 5R, AOC area 3R. 3 plus 5, 8, plus 4, 12R. 12R equal to 24 and R equal to 2 centimeter. So by this way we are getting radius. Okay, what is the area of big triangle? It is divided into OAB, OBC, OCB. Separately we find the area of OAB, OBC, OAC, and that is equal to the ABC. So by this way we can find the area of all triangles, we equate them, and after that we are getting the radius R, that is 2 centimeter. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you will like this video and share it all and subscribe my channel. Thank you.